ROS2 drops a new distribution each year, so we must have to migrate our projects to new distribution because old distribution lose support and underlying operating system changes. While migrating, we must have to follow proper guidelines or rules, otherwise our whole code base may break down. So I will show you the proper roadmap for migration so you can upgrade easily. Here in this list you can see the last 4 releases from ROS2. The first one is Humble Hawksbill, which was released on May 2022. It is of an LTS type, means long-term distribution, and they are going to support it until May 2027, and it works on Ubuntu 22.04. So if your project is already running on Humble, you must migrate your project until it hits its end of life, which is on May 2027. Similarly, if you want to move your projects to the newest distribution of Ubuntu, so you have to think about migration, and you have to try the next distribution, which is Jazzy Jalisco, which was released on May 2024. It is of an LTS type and its end of life is May 2029, and it works on Ubuntu 24.04. Before migration, if you want to try the new features of ROS2, then you have to try this distribution, Kilted Kaiju, which was released on May 2025. It is of standard type. It means they're not going to support it for long term, and they will support it until December 2026, and it works on the same distribution of Ubuntu 24.04 as Jazzy Jalisco. So you can use this distribution to try the new features of ROS2. After trying all these new features, you can slowly migrate your project from the Jazzy distribution to the Lyrical Luth, which was the newest distribution, and it was released on May 22, 2026. It is of an LTS type and they will support it until May 2031, and it works on the latest version of Ubuntu 26.04. Now let's see how to select the right distribution for your project. So if you're creating something new from the scratch, requires minimum 3+ years support, then you have to choose the latest distribution called Lyrical Luth. But before choosing it, make sure that all the ROS packages and drivers should be available on this latest platform required for your project. Otherwise, you have to stay on the older distributions like Jazzy Jalisco because they have the maximum support for ROS packages and drivers compatibility. Next, if you have already existing robots that are working currently fine on Humble or Jazzy Jalisco distribution, then keep it that way. But do not wait until they hit their end of life. The end of life for Humble is May 2027. So you must have to plan the migration before it hits its end of life. So start migrating with some parts of your projects to the newest distributions. Next, if you have already existing robots that are working fine on older distributions but you want to test the new features, then you have to select the latest standard distribution, which is Kilted in our case. It is good for feature testing, newer middleware and tooling, but it is not ideal for your long-term projects because the support and for the standard type of version quicker as compared to the LTS version. So before deploying your production robots on the latest distribution, let first the important packages catch up. The choice of the right distribution does not depend only on the release or end of life date, but they depend more on the robot's risk profile. So different type of robots may require different kinds of upgrade strategy. For example, here in the list you can see the different type of robots. The first one is production AMR warehouse fleet robots. The best distribution for these type of robots is Jazzy Jalisco. But why? Because it has the LTS support, it works on Ubuntu 24.04 as a base, and they have the best balance of the stability and package availability for these type of robots. But you have to watch out for the test mix Humble Jazzy networks, careful before rollout. Next, if you have already existing robot on Humble distribution, then you have to stay on this distribution but for short term to avoid churn if the robot is already stable on this distribution. But you have to start the Jazzy validation now. You must have to watch out for the end of life for this Humble, which is 2027, means the migration cannot wait forever. The next one is cloud connected multi-robot system. The best distribution for this type of system is Jazzy Jalisco or Kilted Testbed. But why? Because Jazzy is safer and Kilted is useful for Zenoh and network experiments. But you have to watch out for the Kilted Kaiju distribution because they have the short-term support window which acts as a migration bridge to the latest version. The next one is if you are working on a long-term project in your research lab, then the right distribution for you is Jazzy now and Lyrical later. But why? Because you have to start with the stable distribution. Once you have completed your project, then you have to migrate your project to the latest distribution once all the packages and tutorials settle for this latest distribution. But you have to watch out for the early Lyrical adoption, which means you have to build more packages from the source The last one is if you're learning a ROS course or preparing for the hackathon or making a student robot project, then the right distribution for you is Jazzy. But why? Because it is modern enough, stable enough and easier to support across many laptops. But you must have to pin your Docker images, because that ensures that the system environment remains 100% identical from the first day of the semester to the final exam. Otherwise, these distributions automatically update themselves, which may cause breakdown in your code base. While migrating across different distributions, we have to check the compatibility across these distributions to know what works or what might fail. Here is the compatibility list of feature or packages across different distributions. Humble supports Ubuntu 22.04, but Jazzy supports 24.04, Kilted also supports 24.04, but Lyrical supports the latest distribution 26.04. The next one is the Python version. Humble supports 3.10, but Jazzy works on 3.12. Kilted also works on 3.12, but Lyrical needs the Python version 3.13. So before migrating, you also have to upgrade your Python versions or the Ubuntu versions. The next one is the amend target dependencies, which is used to connect different libraries. It works on Humble, it works on Jazzy, but this function is deprecated in Kilted, but it still works on Kilted, but it is completely removed in the Lyrical Luth. The next one is the GripperActionController. It works on Humble, works on Jazzy. On Kilted it is completely removed, and on Lyrical it is also completely removed. The next one is RMW Context DDS Micro. It works on Humble, but it gets deprecated in the Jazzy distribution. It is completely removed in Kilted and the Lyrical Luth. The next one is the Zenoh middleware. It is not supported in the Humble distribution. In Jazzy it is of tier 2 type, but in Kilted it is tier 1, and in Lyrical it completely supports this Zenoh middleware. The next one is the type of the messages float 128. It works on Humble, it works on Jazzy, but it is completely removed in Kilted and Lyrical. The last one is cross-distro DDS in the same network. It is used to do the cross-communication across different distributions. For example, you have created one node in Humble and one node in the Jazzy distribution. Now these nodes will communicate with each other using this distro DDS. But in Humble they have a out-of-memory risk. In Jazzy they have the same risk, and in Kilted they also have the same risk. But in Lyrical they have introduced the Zenoh middleware, which has fixed this problem. Now it is more stable to do the communication across different distributions. This is all about migration process. If this video helped you navigate your ROS to migration without breaking your code base, you can hit the like button and also subscribe my channel to get the updates of the new uploads. See you next time. Bye bye.